bangi mwasabye tubaleetere ku mmotoka ezijjudde mu lulimi olwangu. Kati ng'eno nkuleetedde Prado Land Cruiser 2021. Eno yanjawulo mu koko eri gye twalaba mu video yaffe eyaggwa. Ng'era bw'ogirengera wano eno. Jangu tugyetegereze. Tulabeko wano eno. Tulina LED lights mu ttaala lyaffe, tulina xenon, tulina spotlights, tulina chromes mu bumper nga ziri mu LED ba indicator wano eno. Bumper yaffe ogiraba ya Modellista Toyota Land Cruiser Prado 2021 model nga eina 1GD engine with a 2.8 liter ya 4 cylinder eri mu color white, ina mileage emitwalo 2.6. Emmotoka eno ejjirako off-road tires nga bw'ozirabaawo, ina side step ne indicator ku mirror oba ogyetegereza. Door handles zina sensor locks, tezina mapeesa oba ozitegereza nazo. Front doors kokka. Bwe tujje mabega, bumper yaffe ya Modellista continuing pack mabega erimu extra stop lights, erina camera mu mupiira gwaffe guno gwe mabega, ng'erina ne rear spoiler nga bw'ogiraba okuva wano paka awo, eri a bit sporty. This is a good car for off-roading. Okay, let's pop the engine and see what's under the hood. As we come here, we've got the 1GD, the D4D 1GD with a 2.8 liter 4-cylinder engine. When we pop our fuse box to see how clean it is, this simplifies the wiring, has never been tampered with. Okay. Engine efaanana bw'eti lwansonga erimu ka dust katono, so you can wipe off the dust and it looks clean again. We shall start this car when we dive in. When you come into the interior, you spot straight away that you've got the black interior with the black skirt and the grey coloring on the upper. Got our cool infotainment, as you can see it, with a lot of functions. The climate control here with a digital clock. We've got a storage compartment here. We got one more here that has got our cup holders. We've got more storage compartment here, more here. This is a cool box as well when you turn on the fan inside there. This car has got off-road capabilities with secondary power for those who are ready to hit the terrains. We got crawl control and the differential controls here. Like I said earlier, it has got a 2.8 liter 1GD engine, the 4-cylinder. We've got 174 horsepower in this one with 450 Newton meters of torque. Yeah, this is good to hit the terrain with our secondary power for those who are ready to, you know. We got a speaker here that is well covered since this car is for off-roading. Like behind, we got a shell, you see. This is specifically for those people who are ready to go and hit the terrains. We got a cool interior back here. It is a 5-seater, not a 7-seater like one we saw the other time. So let's start this car and see. It starts softly and smooth. We've got our Land Cruiser welcome screen with many functions in the dash. As you see, we got a cool dash over there. We got a cool steering wheel with lots of functions. We got cruise control here with the dash control here and the infotainment control on this side on this steering wheel. We've got a very soft and, you know, easy steering wheel. Nga tuvuddeyo okulaba emmotoka yaffe eno biki byerina ebyenjawulo. Bw'oba ogyetaaze emmotoka eno tusobola ogigula ku miliyoni zaffe eza Uganda 95. Bw'oba oli awo ne tuginegotiatinga ne tulaba baninza tusalirako ssente mmeka, kubanga always and always gye ziregera si gye zivugira. Mpozi n'ekirala musigale nga musendinga ino request zammwe, tugenda kuba nga tuzifulfiringa. Muli bangi munansonyiwa naye buli omu tugenda mukwatako. Mwebale nnyo.